Brad Williams, XL Prime, the right function. What's the right function? It's not the wrong function, it's the right function. Brad Williams, XL Prime. We want to keep everything after starting right to left, using the right function. We want to identify the text here. It's going to be B5. The number of characters, we're not counting here. We're going to allow the length function to do this for us. How? We're going to identify a specific starting point. We're going to remove everything from that point left. I know. Starting right to left, delete everything after the, in this particular case, after the 14th character, or depending on how you read it, the formula extracts 14 characters starting right to left. Is it extracting 14? Well, count. What's Acme? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're keeping 8 characters. 14 minus 6 equals 8. Len, let's look at this deal here. We have to look at the internal parts. We have len B5. What is it? It's 14. What's it doing? It's counting everything here. It's at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, 14. What is find at B5? Here's the find function. Locates a position of text within a cell. Case sensitive. It's finding at. Where is it? Is it left to right or right to left? It's going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If we were going right to left, it would be a larger number. What is that? 9? So left to right, it's 6. From there, we're looking at D5 minus E5. You're going, what are you talking about, Brad? Look at this. Look at what we're doing. The len, 14 minus 6 equals 8. Look at the right function. We're looking at text B5 and the number of characters, 8. Remember, we're going right to left, 8 characters. I keep saying we're keeping 8 characters. That's why this language extract, doesn't extract mean get rid of? Truncate, doesn't that mean get rid of? It says truncates a number of characters from the right. See, I look at it as I want to keep 8 characters. If we count carefully, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and get rid of everything else. I know Excel just sucks at this. Their explanation, just everything about this text manipulation it's just a nightmare. Reading this, again, starting right to left, delete everything after the 14th character. Put in another way, starting right to left, delete everything after F5. Or, depending on how you read it, the formula extracts F5 characters starting right to left. So we have 8 characters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remove everything after the 8th character. How do we get the 8 characters? Len, which is this entire string, and then number. What's the number? We have this find. After find, B5. So find's going to do left to right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's where number 6 is. 14 minus 6. We're going to keep everything after that. Yeah, I know. Practice. This is all about practice, understanding what find does. Find just finds the @ sign. It gives right the number of characters. Brad Williams, XL Prime.